Okay guys, so now you have your Thinglink account created and you can go ahead and get started on making your interactive presentation. Okay, to do that, you're going to want to click on this big blue button right here, create, to start your project. But before that, I want to back up a little bit and have you guys look for an image that represents your genocide. Okay, so I will give you an example. I'm going to look up um, the Guatemalan genocide. Okay, so I'm Googling that and I want to find images. Okay, so there's all these different images. Your Thinglink in total is going to have about 5 images, but I want you, for your background, the main page of your presentation, I want you to pick the picture that stands out the most to you. The one that you feel that really represents your genocide and is going to be an eye catcher for the person viewing your presentation. All right, so as I'm looking through this, I'm going to see what picture really jumps out at me right away. Also, please don't worry, some of the pictures can be very brutal. Just as you guys were researching and you saw some horrible things that were happening to these people, and we understand that. But don't be worried, if you select one of those pictures, it's okay. For me, I think I'm going to choose something that shows, I like this one. So this shows how they were affected. Kind of looks like children here. But this picture is really small. If you see it's 271 by 186, you want it larger for your back screen. So I'm going to look for something a little bit larger to represent my genocide. Maybe this one. Okay, so this is 600 by 401. This is bigger, so I'm gonna go with this one for now. And in order to do that, what you wanna do is, depending on your computer, I have a Mac, so I'm just gonna double click, but you might have to right click on yours. Go ahead and just click on these options and save image as. And you might put it in a file. I'm just gonna put it on my desktop so that I know where it's at right away. And I will put Guatemalan pick, whatever you want to put as it. And I'm going to put it on my desktop. So we'll save. Okay. So now I have my main picture and I'm going to go back to my Thinglink account and click on the create button. We're going to get started and you are going to upload an image. Now it's going to ask me what image do you want to upload, and I'm going to go with that Guatemalan. Here we go. It's right there. Choose that. And there you go. There is my background picture. Okay, and that's all set. So now you want to go and start adding your tags or your thing links, okay? And these are going to be connected to that rubric that I sent to you guys, all right? So you already got 1 point right here for having your background picture. Now you're gonna need to have 9 additional thing links on here, referring to the rubric, okay? So I'm gonna show you how you're going to do that. You go ahead and click on add tag, and it gives you all these options: add text and media, add text label, add content from a website, create a tour, etc. So I really want you guys to play around with this and see how it fits you and try different things. If you make a mistake, it's really easy just to go back and delete it and continue on. Okay, so I'm gonna add a text and media. So I did that. And it says no content because I haven't added anything. So now I want to add something. And my first thing I want to add is a video. All right, a video that represents the Guatemalan genocide. So you're going to want to search for that. And many of you have that stuff already from your research paper. So a video that I had found was from USC, and it's talking about the Guatemalan genocide. All you need to do is go up to the toolbar or the URL, the top, copy it, copy that URL, go back to your Thinglink, and right here it says button URL, paste it. All right, and now I'm gonna say Mullen video. You could title it whatever you want. And then this add description is going to be where you need to put your 2-sentence description. Again, it can be more than 2 sentences, but it's a minimum of 2 sentences. So if you're not ready to do that yet, you can always come back and edit it later. So I'm not ready to do that, so I'm going to stop and just be done and save what I have. And there we go. If you hover over this, click it, and click on that, it's going to take you back to the video that you want on your presentation. Okay? So you're going to do this for all of those 9 parts on the rubric. You're going to have 9 different thing links again. Okay? You may add images, you may add a website, articles, a interview of somebody that went through it, whatever you feel is appropriate for your presentation. Okay? So if you have any questions, please feel free to email or send a Google chat and we can discuss and I can walk you through anything you need additional help with. All right. Have a good day.